Well, so because I live here and I'm being creative and want to do more, and because so much is water involved, I decided to pop for a new toy, a GoPro Hero 9. So let's do a little initial test. I feel like a swim. Okay, swimming time. Let's go. Here we go. There's the pool. Let's do the first water test. GoPro. I don't know. It goes down to 30 feet.
What are them things worth?
What?
How much?
16,000.
You mount it on, you can mount it on your helmet.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that pretty soon. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of cool. Just go underwater. It's good to 30 feet or so. Which is guaranteed 30 feet. So a dive, typically 17 meters, you probably can go to, you know, I go on dives, it's 15 to 17 meters. So you're more like 40, 45 feet. So I'm not sure I could take it down on one of those. But sure can take it snorkeling, because I actually prefer snorkeling. It's easier.
That's where all the marine life is.
It is.
10 feet of water.
Yep. Yeah. Okay, let's swim across the pool here. Okay, we'll see how that comes out. Let's take the bike for a ride and down to the end of the beach and meet up with some old dude expats, my kind of group here. So this is the new GoPro camera, testing it for the first time on a motorcycle ride.